Let's be honest. If we choose the best two options to make money online, blogging is number one, followed closely by YouTube videos. With over 122 million active users and 1 billion hours of watch time daily, many people out there are making a lot of money with YouTube. There are various ways to make money on YouTube, but in this video, I will tell you about the 10 genius ways you can make money on YouTube. So let's get started. 1. YouTube Partner Program. You can monetize your YouTube channel by joining the YouTube Partner Program. AdSense shows ads on your videos, and you earn money whenever a viewer clicks on the ad. This is the easiest way you can make money on YouTube. You can increase your revenue by increasing the views on your videos. It's simple, but not very easy, as YouTube has eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partnership Program. To be eligible, ensure the following. 1. The YouTube Partnership Program should be available in your country. 2. You should have more than 4,000 watch hours with more than 1,000 subscribers in the previous year. 3. Your content meets the YouTube Partner Program policies. And 4. You like an approved AdSense account. How can you register for the YouTube Partnership Program? If you are eligible for the YouTube Partnership Program, select your account icon greater than Creator Studio. In the left menu, select Channel greater than Status and Features. Then go under Monetization and click Enable. Accept the YouTube Partner Program terms and set up an AdSense account. Then you have to set your monetization preferences. You can choose to monetize all your existing and future videos or just future ones. You can also select the type of ads you want to show your subscribers. Then you just have to wait for YouTube to approve you. Once your account is approved, all of your videos will be monetized. 2. Merchandising. Merchandising is an option for you to make money through your subscribers. Your merch items can include t-shirts, caps, stickers, notebooks, jewelry, phone covers, mugs, hoodies, and jumpers. You can design any product related to your niche or content. YouTube has also partnered with a few merchandising companies. One of the best services you can get from merchandising is Teespring. They take care of the production and distribution of merchandise for you, and you can profit from it. If you have an active community on YouTube, merchandising can be a profitable avenue for your channel. You can use platforms like Squarespace and Shopify to manage everything on your own. 3. YouTube Super Chat. You can also monetize your YouTube channel through the YouTube Super Chat feature. YouTube introduced this simple feature in late 2017. During a live feed, a person will have to pay if they want their comment to stand out and be pinned for a while. The money goes directly to the YouTuber. Eligibility criteria for Super Chat are that your channel should be monetized with over 1,000 subscribers. You are above 18 and located in one of the available locations. You just have to head over to the YouTube Features page, look for the Super Chat option, and enable it. 4. Channel Membership. YouTube launched the sponsorship feature, which has been renamed Channel Membership. It lets YouTubers collect a monthly subscription fee from their biggest fans while, in exchange, fans get access to exclusive content, perks, and badges. Eligibility criteria for channel membership. 1. To become eligible for a channel membership, your channel must have more than 30,000 subscribers. 2. You are in the YouTube Partner Program. 3. You are above 18. 4. You are located in an available location. 5. You have agreed to and are complying with the terms and policies. 6. You have 0 active strikes. You will get notified by YouTube if you are eligible for channel membership. You can also choose to switch on and off your channel memberships. 5. Crowdfunding. One of the ways fans can show support to content creators is through crowdfunding. YouTubers often use crowdfunding platforms to make their monthly quota of money. This is done in the early stages of their YouTube journey, when they don't have a particular subscriber base or other monetization strategies. It is becoming more and more common with the introduction of Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Crowdfunding can be a great source of money if you have a great idea for a media project on YouTube, because not only does it generate your initial fund, but it also contributes to establishing an audience and revenue for your project in the future. One of the most popular platforms you can use for crowdfunding is Patreon. Before I tell you about the following method to make money on YouTube, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. 6. Sponsored videos or influencer marketing. A sponsored video is where a creator takes money from a brand and, in return, promotes their brand or product. Every content creator does it in a smart way which suits their style. Many brands reach out to YouTube influencers to promote their products and services. Before you start selling your content for sponsored videos, there are a few things you need to work on. You need to fix your branding and niche because branding will make your target audience remember your channel. Your subscriber base will be scattered if you don't fix a niche, and companies will find it hard to identify with your audience as they are thinned out. Use thumbnails that evoke emotions and are attractive. First, identify the right kind of companies for your niche because everybody is not your target market. Companies from a specific industry will only be suitable for you. Identify the industry in a few companies and prepare a list. Try collaborating with small businesses first. There are a lot of small and medium businesses that look for advertising services. Start small, slowly build your reputation, and aim for larger companies. Add your email address in your YouTube channel bio and video descriptions so brands can contact you. 7. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is just like Netflix because, under that, subscribers can enjoy ad-free videos, original and unique content, and download videos to watch when they are offline. YouTube can help you earn if you don't have a blog, and once your blog is all set to go, you can put the video version of your blog posts on YouTube to earn some extra bucks. YouTube can also benefit you by getting website visitors who are not using Google, but found out about your site from one of your videos. You can post videos in various categories, as YouTube supports almost all video formats. You can post about your trip to Paris or video review the hotel you stayed in. You can also make tutorials about hosting platforms, blogging, and other tech-related things. 8. You can set up fan funding. Like crowdfunding, you can also set up fan funding to source donations from your audience. As a creator, if you're offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms will give you another place for people to discover their content because this is a way to engage your most loyal audience and reward them for their support. If you choose this route, follow a couple of best practices. Create transparency around how the money will be spent, as that will get your fan base invested in your story, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Also, offer enticing rewards, because the more you can make donors feel like they're getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular fan funding options are Patreon, Typee, and Buy Me a Coffee. 9. Sell others' products as an affiliate marketer. Selling products in exchange for a commission is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic, as thousands of companies offer attractive deals to affiliate marketers to promote their products. These include huge companies like Amazon and eBay and smaller companies. Also, there are many affiliate networks you can join. To make money from YouTube as an affiliate marketer, you have to review your affiliate products on video or create how to use this product tutorials. Remember to put the product links in your video descriptions. Always ensure you're using your affiliate link or you won't get credit for sales. 10. Sell online courses. You can package your expertise and teach a skill relevant to your niche to your subscriber base through an online course. Other digital products, such as ebooks, templates, printables, and downloadables, can also be a part of it. The best part about such products is that an audience of a few thousand can generate a decent amount of revenue. There's no other raw material-related cost for building such products with minimal maintenance and updates. This will ensure these products are good to sell for a few years. That's all for today. Guys, what are your opinions about these YouTube monetization strategies? Let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos on making money. Until next time.